Well, we've looked at the syllabus. Time to look at the course schedule. The course schedule, there's two versions of it, one by date and one by section and topic. And you probably want to look at both of those. The one you're probably going to want to print out and keep handy is the one by date. So week 1 in this first column, week 2 in the second column, week 3, and so forth. You can see that there are blocks here. There's a purple block that represents 2.5 weeks, and that represents all the material to the first quiz. Essentially, we do 4 topics, and then the homework is due for that topic. At that time, the quiz over all 8 topics opens for those of you who work fast and want to get ahead of the game. If you work through, in this case, sections 1 through 4 and get it done by, say, Saturday, and then you work through sections 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and you finish that up by the 11th, then the quiz would be open, and you could have this quiz finished and polished off as soon as the 11th, and then you could work ahead. If you take the full time for each block of 4 homework assignments, then essentially every 9 days, every 8 days, the green here represents the assignments that are due. Section 1.1 through 1.4 homework assignments are due on the 11th. At that time, the quiz opens, and if you happen to have finished all of it, then you can go ahead and take the quiz. If not, you have another 8 or so days to finish up the remainder of the material for this quiz. Hopefully you'll finish it up early. You should aim for finishing early, and you should aim for always keeping the quiz at least a day early, because the closing dates for the quizzes are hard dates, and if you goof up, if you wait till the last day and you have technical problems, there are no extensions for the quizzes. The lowest of the 4 quizzes, the lowest score will be dropped, and that's what happens if things get messed up and you miss a quiz or have technical issues because you waited till the last day. If you don't wait till the last day, the quiz can be reset. But if you wait till the last day, there's a good chance you won't have time to have the quiz reset. So there are 4 quiz blocks, and then there are a midterm and a final exam, which are proctored, and this is the course schedule. That's the course schedule in terms of weeks. Let's look at the course schedule in terms of sections. It's just a different view. And in this view, what you see is the first quiz material, the second quiz material, and the third and the fourth quiz material are below that. And so for the first quiz, for the first 8 days, we cover 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and then those homeworks are due. And then the quiz 1 opens. So if you happen to have finished all of this, you can take the quiz as early as halfway through that block. And then there are usually there's 4. This time there's only 3 to give you time to get caught up for how the course works and all that sort of thing. And then the homework closes, and then the next day the quiz closes. And then there will be another block, block 2, and we'll go through 4 topics and close the homework, open the quiz that's due the next week, and then 4 more topics, the quiz closes, and at that point there's a midterm exam, and you can follow through what happens from there on out.